Here we go. All right, we are on. What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Painfully Honest Advice. So, hey, this video, I want to keep it organic and just be fully transparent with you guys. But guys, it's been 1 year that I've officially been on YouTube. Now, here's the thing. It is a great day to celebrate because I officially started and made my first video on YouTube and uploaded it on October 23rd last year. And I was basically talking about my Tesla Model S that I was so excited about, and I just wanted to go ahead and share that. And ultimately started making videos around financing and just being transparent around my path. But here's the thing, guys. I want to go ahead and share with you guys my journey in the last 1 year. If you're thinking about starting YouTube, I want to go ahead and share with you guys all the pros and cons of starting YouTube, basically all the struggles that I had to go ahead and overcome and why I thought about quitting multiple times throughout this journey. I can tell you, YouTube is a marathon, and at the end of the day, it is one of the hardest things to go ahead and focus on. Now, here's the thing. I'm currently sitting at right around 64,000 subscribers. So thank you guys, and thank you to every single person that's supporting me and that supported me throughout this journey. Now, if you are new to this channel, I do focus around finance. I basically invest in the stock market. I own real estate. I own different businesses, and I just want to be fully transparent and share with you guys my journey. And that just takes me into why I actually started this channel. Now, when I actually started this channel, I was focused around making videos around my Tesla. And ultimately, because I have background in the business world and in financing, I thought I had something to share and just be more transparent than what I was seeing on YouTube. Now, there's many different channels out there that focus around business, personal finance, or investing. Some of the big channels out there that I was watching before I got onto YouTube was Meet Kevin, was Graham Stephan, was The Financial Education by Jeremy, was Nate O'Brien. So there's many other channels that I was actually following, and I'm watching these guys and I'm like, hey, I have something that I can share. But my additional goal there was to go ahead and be more transparent. So actually take you guys on the journey and show you guys exactly what I do on a day-to-day basis, like sharing my stock portfolio or sharing my actual real estate properties that I buy. But basically taking you guys on the journey because it is definitely not that hard to go ahead and invest. Yes, it takes some work up front, but once you start investing, it's not that complicated to go ahead and grow your money. So it is a passion of mine to go ahead and share whatever I can share, and hopefully I can help one person out there on their journey or just on their path. And that was basically one of the major reasons why I started. Now, just talking about some of my fears in regards to starting, one of my biggest fears is public speaking. Basically, I have a fear of just talking to people or talking in front of this camera. Now, I've been doing this for over a year now, so I'm hoping that I got better from my first video, but I'm still learning. It's one of the main reasons why I actually wanted to go ahead and start YouTube. Now, before this, I actually had a previous channel because I used to love playing Pokemon. And when Pokemon Go came out, I actually started a channel around Pokemon. So I wanted to go ahead and maybe find another avenue of how I can go about making money while I was enjoying what I was doing. So that's when I started the channel. The channel, unfortunately, did not even get monetized because I only had about 10 or 15 videos. And at the end of the day, it was just not something that I was really focused on doing long term. But ultimately, after that, I waited a couple months and then I decided to go ahead and start this channel, Painfully Honest Advice. But here's the thing. The biggest thing about YouTube is the grit. I mean, as long as you got the grit and you're consistent, this is definitely something that takes time to go ahead and do. It took me about 6 months to go ahead and just get monetized on YouTube. And after being monetized, the money just does not flow right in. So if you are looking at it for money, I can tell you guys just based on my personal experience, I'm not making enough money on this thing to keep focused and keep growing it because of money. Because at this point, it takes me about 25 to 30 hours, I would say at this point, to record, upload, and do everything around every single video. And at the end of the day, I'm probably making around a couple dollars an hour just based on how much time this is taking away from me or what I could be focused on otherwise and use my time on other things. But what's really kept me motivated is to go ahead and get through the fear of public speaking and also just being able to share something that I can go ahead and bring to the table and hopefully help other people with. So I will say, guys, that this is definitely a marathon. It is not something that you can focus on and actually grow overnight. It takes time. I mean, at this point, I'm still growing. I've been doing this for 1 year and I'm nowhere close to where I want to be. My goal for this next year is to go ahead and get to 100,000 subscribers. Plus, I want to go ahead and grow my stock portfolio, want to go ahead and buy another real estate property, and I'm in the process of opening up another business. And basically, I want to go ahead and share all of that with you guys on this channel, because if you're looking at growing or if you're looking at doing any one of those things, I always think it's nice to see other people that are doing it and be able to learn something from them. Now, in regards to just YouTube overall, some of the things that I can share with you guys that I've just learned in the last year is that if you're looking at starting a channel, focus on something that you actually want to do and you enjoy doing, or choose a topic that you actually enjoy talking about. Because when I started my Pokemon Go channel, it was something that I was excited about short term, but it was not a long term thing. So that's why I quit doing that and then I started this channel. But finance is a topic that I love talking about, and it's something that I can see myself talking about for the next 10 to 20 plus years. And if you have that fear that I did to go ahead and upload your first video or to go ahead and just start recording in front of a camera, hey, I can tell you guys, I'm just looking at a camera and talking at this point, and I have a lot to still learn. So I would just get up and do it. And as long as you have something that you actually want to talk about and you feel like other people are going to go ahead and watch you on that journey, it is definitely worth sharing. So focus on consistency, focus on grit, and get through the struggles of just putting out your first video, and then keep learning from there, keep improving, keep learning from others. At this point, everything you need to know in regards to YouTube is right on YouTube. I mean, you can basically learn everything about getting monetized, what it takes to go ahead and get monetized, what are some of the things that you want to go ahead and do when you're uploading videos, what type of thumbnails you should be using, how you should be doing your descriptions, tags, all of that stuff. And I've made videos like that as well in the past. So if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, certainly you can go ahead and do that as well. But I've been rambling on for a minute here, guys. So hopefully you guys got something out of this video. And I'm hoping to go ahead and look back at this in 10 years from now and see where I was at my 1-year anniversary. But if you guys have any questions at all, honestly, around YouTube, or if you're just getting started on YouTube, go ahead and ask me any question in the description down below, and I'll promise to go ahead and get back to you on that. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you do want to go ahead and help the channel out, I do have affiliate links down in the description below. They are in reference to investing in the stock market. So if you are interested in investing, go ahead and check out my links down below. Webull is actually one of the sponsors that I work with, and they do have 3 free stocks that you can actually go ahead and get till the end of this month. It's one of their best promotions, and honestly, it's just free money at the end of the day. But that's gonna be a wrap. Thank you guys for watching this video, and until next time, guys, see you guys at the next one.